What's up, people? Welcome back to another day, another episode of Mr. Karate. As you can see, we are at Killarney. We're doing another gymkhana. It's actually not a gymkhana, it's actually a practice session, but it's the first time that I'm going to be here with my new car, which is the 350z. Obviously, of course, we have Sparkles. Sparkles is chilling over there, so we have Sparkles and Nissan 350z. Other than that, the 350z only has a block diff and has no hydro, has nothing, so I'm going to be doing a lot of clutch kicking pretty much. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoy it. Let's get onto the racetrack right now.
Like assholes again,
Like, because all the other guys are pulling up.
Professional.
Now you know it's a bit.
Sparkles isn't the problem. Not the problem.
Both Limpus and I are realizing that obviously we need to up our game here now.
I thought if I help check up the track, it would make it easier, but it just made it worse.
It's so hot today. Gee whiz, you have no idea. Thank goodness for aircon. Obviously, we're gonna get onto the track right now, which is gonna be quite cool. So this is the whole course. You have amazing tail mount right at the end. But in the meantime, let's go get ourselves paid. What up, man? Next, guys, come on!
First time out of this car.
First time out and no hydro, nothing.
Fucking enjoy it.
Oh, I'll try. Alright, so this is my first attempt in the Nissan 350z. Obviously, I am all over the place at this point because I'm trying to still figure out the car, what gearing to be in, how much throttle input to give and steering input. So at the moment, it was a little bit of just exploring. Since I don't have a hydro or any angle kit or anything like that, it's purely just a stock 350z with a tune and an exhaust pipe.
I think we're supposed to go around here. Oh fuck, now I'm lost.
Okay, so this is the second attempt.
Thank you.
Once again, still exploring, so I make a lot of mistakes. I was still trying to figure out how much throttle to give. Obviously the car was coming around very fast and at this point I felt I was very slow with the steering wheel. So right here I ended up knocking my thumb, and I think I clipped my nail and my whole nail lifted up. So my finger was extremely sore here, to the point where I was like, I need to actually take a bit of a break. So it took some time for my hand to come right, but I was in pain right now, so I just thought let's park it. But anyway, this is Nimpis in the E30 BMW. This car is a turbocharged car, and it's a lot harder to drive than the Z, no doubt. But he pretty much handles this car very well. Around this car? Around this one? No, go around this car. Now figure out the 8. Now go through there, around the corner, inside the pole. Around. Around the curve, go that way, around into this one, now come around this curve, around here. Now go straight down, straight down around the curve. All the way down. Around this curve. Around, and in. Through there. Nice job. But that was good, bro. That was good, bro. Okay. This was my third attempt. I tried to see if my handbrake would work, but wasn't so successful.
Right, first gear, clutch. Well, fucking done.
Yeah. So you have it, but then like when you did the switch, you fucking had it perfect, and then you came off throttle. Use the throttle all the time. Like don't
Okay.
come off, as soon as you come off throttle, it's gonna grip up. You're
Grip
gonna
up.
straighten out, or it's gonna like snap on you. So always be on throttle. That
Okay, I
makes sense.
see.
So hi everyone, I'm experiencing Matthew drifting today. He doesn't even have an e-brake and he's doing the whole course.
Trying.
Not doing the whole course, sorry. He's sliding the whole course like a pro. So that's why I decided to stop driving and rather learn a thing or two. Too much, that's perfect, but too much. Go right, second gear. You have to hold it. You have to hold it. You have to hold it.
So we're finishing the session. I don't think I can carry on driving anymore because that is proper messed up. I'm pretty much, oh my goodness. Brake, I have no more tire now. But anyway, we have to get new tires. So Sparkles, we have to get the handbrake sorted. It doesn't always work when you want it to. So driving it is a little bit tricky, but once you have this car going, it's very, very impressive to watch.